guys, welcome to my channel. It's Raya. If you're new here, this is mostly beauty related, all things about makeup and hair and fashion and stuff like that. So, as you can see, I have bangs now and it's giving me so much stress. I actually went to a parlor yesterday so that I can have my bangs properly trimmed, and the end result is different from what I expected. I even gave them an inspiration pic and it's just not what I had in mind. So I went home and I sorted it out, made it a little bit doable. So we have this situation right here. I know it's not my best look, but we'll have to make do. So today I thought of styling my hair given that I have a bad bangs situation. Just gonna okay, so I think I don't have that roller brush thing, so I think I'm just gonna put it like that, like pin it away from the face so that it can have a little bit of volume. I don't know, like so. And then let's take this rat's nest out of the back. Okay, so my hair is down. I'm just gonna brush it. I actually wear my hair in a curly hairstyle whenever I go to work, which is once a month. So this is the length right now. I had it trimmed also yesterday just so the dead ends will be gone and I have like a fresh canvas for all my hair damaging and hair coloring. I know it's not a very healthy coping mechanism, but it's better than the alternative, if you know what I mean. Anyway, dark humor coming through. So I usually curl my hair whenever I go to the office, and a lot of my workmates actually give me compliments whenever I do my hair. So the secret is out. I'm gonna show you how I curl my hair. So it's actually very simple, no brainer at all. It's because I have a very wonderful tool with me. Hashtag not sponsored, I wish. But I will put the link down below for the hair curler that I'm using. It's an affiliate link, so if you decide to purchase it through that link, I will get a small commission. Please, if you want to support me, then please click the link. If you're planning to buy a hair tool that is perfect for the everyday girl. So yeah, this is my hair curler. This is from Instabella. It's a curling wand, as you can see. I like it because it's shaped like this and I find it really easy to use, and I will show you how. So I usually part my hair into two, and then I start with a small section at the back and then just wrap it around the curler like so. I actually got sick last week, and guys, it wasn't a good experience. Like, I've gotten sick before, but this is a whole new level of sick. I felt like I was dying. It lasted for 4 days, and thankfully I'm recovered now. I mean, not fully. I still have the cold, but I'm feeling much better. So it looks like this. I don't really put anything on my hair because my hair is already, I find that my curls last long because of my natural hair texture. So this is the curl part. I'm just gonna put that at the back And then repeat with the remaining stuff. So I usually curl it like this, and I'm making sure not to burn my hands. So this is much easier when my hair was a little bit longer, but it's still really doable. I usually wait around 30 seconds, especially since it's still warming up, but if the heat is turned up, I just leave it for 10 seconds or so. If I'm not filming or talking as much, I think my hair routine is about 10 to 15 minutes. I am actually looking for a good hair protectant spray or heat protectant because as you can see, my hair is pretty much damaged already from all the coloring and whatnot. And heat styling, however beautiful the outcome is, can really damage your hair. So I thank God that it's just once a month that I do this, or whenever I have special occasions. But I haven't found any good heat protectant. So if you know anything, leave a comment down below. So this is one half of my hair done, very quick and easy, just like that. So I'm just gonna part my hair again and then start on the other side. So the other side is a lot trickier for me because I don't usually use this hand for doing anything. I am right-handed, so I find it really difficult. So I try to hold on to this motion a little bit longer just to make sure that it's curled. Okay, that's good. So I usually just rely on the mirror, in this case the viewfinder. Okay, I'm back. The camera died, so I just changed the battery. So I'm just continuing on this side like so. So sometimes I section it like really small, sometimes really big. It depends on how much time I have left. Last section. Ta-da! Okay, so normally I would stop here, but let's deal with this bang situation in a while. So I think I'm gonna do this. Let's see. So this is the final look. I may have to experiment more with my bangs, but that's the general idea. I don't know how to style this torture yet, but this is experiment number 1. As of the curls, I can choose to leave it as is, or I can brush them through like so that it's not so tight. But sometimes I like that vibe. I don't know, it just depends on my mood, I guess. So I can brush it out like this, so it looks a little bit like voluminous and very wavy like. So it just depends on my preference. And then I usually add a hair oil after. This is from Hybrid Colors. It's the Letha hair serum. I like it because it's very, very fragrant, and it just keeps the shine on my hair. Actually putting some of that on the bangs. I don't know if I like my bangs or not. Trey chic or que horror. I don't know. Comment down below if this is something that can be saved. But as of now, that's it. That's the final look, and I hope that you guys learned something. So just remember to just twist away from your face and make sure not to burn your hands. And I guess that's my styling tip for today. Don't forget to check out my other videos if you are interested, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace out.